Hi, my name is Frank Horkey and I serve as the chair for the Broward Workforce Development Board. Together with our consortium of elected officials, the mayors of Fort Lauderdale and Hollywood, and one of the county commissioners, we serve as the governing boards providing policy guidance and oversight to the local workforce delivery system. I am proud to say that for 4 years in a row, we have been one of the highest performing boards in Florida. We strive for excellence, integrity, and satisfied customers. Our customers are our local residents and businesses, our governor, CareerSource Florida, and the Florida Department of Economic Opportunity, and you, our state legislature. For 2021, our board has identified 3 legislative priorities. First, we believe in and ask for your support of the current local governance structure, while at the same time agreeing that we can and should always strive for continuous improvement of our workforce system. Florida's current workforce development governance structure is the most forward-thinking of all of the states. It is agile, flexible, and responsive. Local leadership is dedicated to connecting businesses with the skilled employees they need. Florida's workforce model has encouraged and allowed us to integrate programs, share customers, and work closely with our education partners, whereas many other states still work in silos. Through the wisdom of you, our legislators, we are able to meet the unique needs of the employers and job seekers in each of our local regions. One of the ways we do this is by vetting courses on the state's eligible training provider list, monitoring performance, and taking courses off the list when students do not meet a 70% placement rate. We help customers make the right choices so they can acquire much-needed job skills. In doing that, over 75% of the training dollars, which are coordinated with Pell, are spent at our public education institutions. For those who learn better on the job, work-based training options are available. Together, our local elected officials, our board, and CareerSource Broward staff serve as conveners and catalysts, encouraging coordination and collaboration with our local communities. When COVID-19 impacted our hospitality industry, CareerSource Broward called together Broward College, local technical schools, and the associations representing the hospitality industry and its workers to develop a coordinated plan to cross-train, upskill, and at the same time, prepare workers to return to their jobs in the future. When the Greater Fort Lauderdale Alliance launched Prosperity Broward to help our distressed communities, we were right there with Broward College to open the doors and fund training for our most vulnerable constituents. Local means we can pivot and redirect resources quickly, and we stand prepared to be measured and evaluated. We ask that you continue to believe in and support the local delivery system. Tell us the changes and improvements you want and allow us to rise to the occasion. We will surpass your expectations. As a local board chair once said to the CareerSource Florida board, "Give us the paints and canvases and let us paint you masterpieces." Our second priority is focused on the needs of our customers. In 1997, with the advent of welfare reform, CareerSource Broward had a caseload of 45,000 welfare families. A few years later, there were 15,000 families in our caseload, and in 2020, before the pandemic, we saw about 400 welfare recipients at one time. However, during COVID-19, our caseload has risen to 1,000 families. When the current work waivers end, recipients must return to their work activities to be eligible for cash assistance. To be able to provide services, we ask that you at least maintain the TANF funding going to the local boards at the current levels. The local boards have done a good job allowing the state to meet the 2 federal required performance measures of reducing the caseload and meeting the participation activities. Under the TANF guidelines, this contributes to the state being able to draw its full TANF allocation. Our third ask is also customer-centered. We support the expansion of apprenticeships. Not everyone learns in a classroom setting, and these Earn While You Learn programs provide yet another pathway to a productive and high-wage career. Apprenticeships provide work-based training options that result in secure career pathways and self-sufficient wages, giving our local labor force the chance to expand and thrive. In closing, I'd like to thank you for taking the time to watch this video. We are excited to work together to improve the lives in the Broward County workforce area and its communities.